Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I have showed you how to reset the password of mysql. Now I am going to execute the second PUC first program mysql. So now I am opening the mysql program in my computer. I saved it. Now I am going to put it one side. And now, and yes, there is also Python program also there. But I am showing you how to create mysql. It's important to practical also. See, this is the first program. Now I am going to open mysql. And you can drag it and put it another side. Now you should put the password and open it. After it runs, see friends, here we want to create a table with the following fields and enter 10 records into the table. Entity name marks. We can use the marks as database also, friends. First we have to create this table, so we should create a database. So we should type first create a, you don't want create database, and what we are to create the database, we should put that name, database name. I have done marks because your entity name is also marks, so I wanted to create it as marks only, and we should put semicolon and enter. Now create database marks has been query. Okay, the database is created, so now we should use that database. So we should type use database name, means my database name is marks. You should type marks, then semicolon. Database changed. Now if you want to see old tables, you can type show tables semicolon. It will show empty set because I did not enter any information about the table. So now I am going to enter the information. First I should enter this create table marks. You can put it capital also and small also. Create table marks, then you should put the bracket and enter. Then you should put roll number int 5. You can put any int, so that you can type any number of roll number as you wish. So I am typing as the program it is, and comma, and you should put next yes name varchar. And here also friends, you can type as your wish how much you want the name should be, and it should be not null, and comma. We should put the language marks int 3, then check language marks between 0 and 100. So friends, like this only you should type this also, like English marks, sub 1 marks, sub 2 marks, sub 3 marks, sub 4 marks. So I am using the shortcut that if you press the arrow button, it will show the last you type that. So I am going to use the arrow mark, and see it has came like this. We can change CS name, varchar, roll number, and we come back to down arrow, again it comes to like that. So you can edit here directly. Simply wasting your time, so you can use like this also. See friends, how easy it has become. So you don't waste the time. You can simply edit here. So friend, I have typed all this, and in last we should cancel the column and we should put double bracket, because we opened a create table here one bracket, so we should use double column. And to execute this, to make this query okay, we should put semicolon and enter. And I think something has went wrong. 0 and see friend, now the query is okay. The last time I have did and I did the trial so that your time can't waste. So I am explaining why this error came. Here in the MKS between, I did not leave the space, and also I did not put capital, and check also we should put capital, and here MKS after we should put space and type int. So now here I have typed the table correctly, so the query is okay. Now you can see the tables by typing show tables. See the table in marks. Now I am going to create the table, a database table like this. So we have to put this code in this here. So I am going to type it, insert into marks and values. So by typing this we can enter this values into the table which we have created. So next we should put the roll number. First name is Raj and his roll number is 1010, and we should put comma, and if the name is there we should put comma, and we should put Raj in bracket. I would type in capital only, R-A-J Raj, and colon and comma. For numbers we should not use colon, so we should type only in column, and the number is marks is 89, comma 97, comma 98, comma 99, comma 86, comma 95. So after this we should put the bracket and use semicolon, so that if any error it shows, even you can waste you, so that you can prevent the time, so that you can check the error and query okay. If we insert this full, if you type this full from insert to marks values Raj and to Kumar continuously like this as it is in program, if the error comes your time will be also waste. So you can insert one value like this, and you should check, you can check the query okay, but you should put the semicolon in last. And now I am going to enter the next members, and the second is his roll number is 1026 and his name is Kiran, and his this marks 67, 62, 72, 86, 72 and 62, and you should put enter, and it is also okay. So like this only I am going to enter all the names, so it will take some time, so I like to pause and show you at last. So friends, I typed all the values after all the name, so you can see that Raj, Kiran, Anand, Ram, Vijaya, Manoj, Rihan, Kajol, Kumar, and I have typed all their marks in this comment. So all these have query okay, and it is inserted in the database. So now you can answer the all question, list all the records. So for that code is select star from marks. So I am going to type that select space star from marks, and you should put semicolon and enter. So friends, here you can see that the table is shown below, and you can see all the database I entered here. See, you can see clearly now. Select from marks, you can see all the table as it is shown in the program. And the second is display the description of the table. So you can type describe marks as it, so you can type also short form like DSC and the database name marks semicolon. Like this also we can see the description of the marks and means table. So you can see that roll number int means you should enter it, and null default. And next is add the new attribute. Wait, I will put this aside. It is alter, add the new attribute total and percent, and we should add the new attribute to the table, that total and percent. To add that, they have given the code like alter table marks add total. So I am going to type that alter table marks add bracket total comma int, and bracket open int, and in that you can enter 3 and comma percent float bracket open 5 3 and bracket close, and again double bracket and semicolon, and the query was okay. And calculate, and the fourth question is that calculate total and percent of marks of all student. So that you should put that code, like I'm going to type that update marks set total is equals to language marks plus English marks plus plus subject 1 marks plus subject 2 marks and plus subject 3 marks, and also plus subject 4 marks also. And now we should put last semicolon and enter, and this query is also okay. And another query is, another command is update marks set percent, means we should set the percentage what we want to show in the table, and we should put update marks set percent is equals to total by 600 like to execute this, you should put semicolon, and this query is also correct. So now list the student. The fifth question they ask this: the list the student whose percent of marks is more than 60%. So in the we have the entered the marks, and we have entered the code to separate their percentage, and they are asking now whose percentage is more than 60%. So we want the table and the data whose marks percentage is above 60%. So we have to put that comment, select, yes, select yes name, comma, percent from, and the database name marks where percent. So here they ask that you want more than 60%, who have scored more than 60%. So we are giving the comment that only more than 60. So we should put, to execute this we have to put semicolon, and see it is showing the table whose marks is 60%. And the sixth question is 60 student whose percentage is between 60% and 85%. So now they are asking whose percentage is between 60% and 85%. Which student has scored 60% and who more than 60% and below 85%. So for that also we should enter the same, select name, percentage from marks, and now in at last we have to vary that after percent between 60 and 85, and wish to execute it we should put double semicolon, and it has shown the result. And the last question is arrange the students based on percentage of marks from highest to lowest. So the question is that who have scored the highest marks and the lowest marks should be in the order. So for that we have to type the comment, select yes name comma, percent from marks order by percent desk. And to execute we should put the semicolon, and you can see all the program is done. Our first SQL program is done. See, now you can see clearly our full program is done. So like this we can, if you have any doubt you can put the question in the comment, and please subscribe my channel so that I can share the another video about SQL2 program 2 execution of that program. Thank you. Please follow the channel.